Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, very excited to have Suchita with me. 25 points towards her permanent residency, 8 each in PT, an overall score of 87, and now she has cleared her NATI Hindi exam in just 2 weeks. Congratulations, Suchita, very well done. Very first thing I remember when you came here, you told me that you have taken a couple of attempts before as well. This was your very first attempt after coming on campus. What do you think was the difference when it comes to your mindset and taking the exam this time as compared to the previous attempts, which you think helped you to get the score?
Yes, thank you, Varun, for having me here today. I think first thing that changed during my practice sessions at home was I was doing a practice after taking strategy classes, but I was not doing the practice in a right way. I think when I started coming to the class, I got my feedback, one-on-one feedback, which helped me a lot.
So basically, you were working hard, but direction wasn't right.
Yes, that's
It's
correct.
very important because PT is not that straightforward, right? We think we are doing something correct, but that is not what the computer is looking for.
That's
So it's
correct.
very important. If you're working hard, you have the strategies. You need to make sure you implement the strategies properly as well. Sujata, how about the reading grammar sessions? How important are those?
I think that's a very important because even though someone thinks that you know English in a perfect way, there are some points which you miss. So attending those reading classes really helped me a lot.
That's right. Because when we go and sit for the reading module in the exam, that is something where we need to use a lot of grammatical hints and clues, right? That is very important, guys. Each and every student out there need to make sure that you are there in the reading grammar sessions and you understand the logic. Don't just cram the blanks, try to understand the logic. You have taken a number of mock tests, you've been to the lab sessions. How important are mock tests? What do you think? How mock tests help you prepare for the exam?
Mock tests really prepare you for the exam in a right direction. So you know how you have to attempt in a real exam. You know what strategies you have to apply and what question is like more important. So you know which question you have to focus more and which questions you can ignore.
So basically, you get a clear picture of it.
Yes.
Right. Very important. If you are taking any exam, you need to make sure you take a number of mock tests, PT or NATI, because when you practice a task by itself, you are likely to do it in a perfect manner. But when you go through the process, you sit for 3 hours, you have people around you, taking the exam, you're distracted. There are a lot of distractions. You feel tired by the end of the exam, and that is where you get the real picture. You come to know the areas where you never thought that you'll mess up. So it's very important you take mock tests, see what are the weaknesses, where are you lacking, what are the things you need to work on, and how to improve on the same. Nati Hindi 2 weeks, something which we don't even think about. How's that? How's that possible?
Yes, so it is possible if you have right people teaching you. So yes, I just took 2 weeks classes and coming to the class, doing online sessions with the teachers, getting one-on-one feedback, really helps me. So if you have positive people around you, I think then nothing is impossible. That's
right. That's the key factor. Whatever exam, if you're taking PT, whatever you're doing in life, or it's your NATI, if you have positivity around you, people will push you to achieve the goal. That's what happens, right? If you have good people around you, they'll push you. If you have good bunch of students sitting around you, everyone's positive, you feel more energetic, and then you work hard in the right direction. So Chida, what do you think is important for NATI? Do we need to work on vocabulary, or do we need to focus on the message?
I think vocabulary is equally important. If you know words, it will be easier when you attempt the exam. And then yes, so it is important. That's right.
That's right, guys. Very important. Your vocabulary is equally important because sometimes if you're not really familiar with the words and if you get that word in your native language, you'll not be sure what the message is and you can end up distorting the message. So very important. What I take out of her journey is be regular, be positive, take a number of mock tests, work hard but in the right direction, and claim 25 points towards your residency. Congratulations once again and all the very best. That's it from this video, guys. I'll see you very soon. Make sure you don't delay, take an action right now and claim 25 points as soon as possible.
Now crack your PTE sitting at your home. Language Academy brings to you the smartest AI-powered practice portal, with instant scores and feedback for all the tasks. Along with the practice questions, access free sectional and full mock tests, and get instant scorecard with in-depth feedback and analysis. For more hidden secrets, tips, strategies, and proven templates, Click the link below and subscribe to our video course today.